buddy Michael joined us. He's behind me. I'm gonna put the M4. My boy Sewa, he just got here too. This shit is packed, man. What up, boy? Chillin'. Michael's here, but he's too low. Yeah, I know. I know. I don't know if I fucked up my tire or some shit entering, cause that shit's it's so weird. Yeah, bruh. What happened? What happened? Huh?
I broke the car.
You broke the car?
Yeah. It broke my side skirt when I was coming in. And my car is leaking a lot of water. I'm not sure if it's like the air couldn't.
Dead ass?
I think that's just the air, bud.
That's the AC. Move and we'll see. Can you drive it?
Yeah.
Move and we'll see what liquid it is. Fuck, man. And the front is fine?
Yeah.
Cause I felt something under my car too. It's just water.
Yeah, it's water.
It's just water.
That's the only good thing. I don't care about that.
Yeah, no, you're good, bro.
Yeah, it's just water. My car's too low. I got a $100,000 car. Go. Everywhere, feel hot like that. Good. Good? Yeah.
Yeah, this is nice.
I got the holster.
Nice,
3
bro.
max total. I can do 175 for the whole day.
This is O2? Oh, it's green gas.
Green gas, bro. Let's do shit. Come on.
How much?
175.
175?
You have a primary?
Waters?
Yeah, if they're not buying that or something.
Alright, there's one guy walking in right now. Alright, start on this side.
Gotcha. Thank you, man.
Let's go.
I got you. Good stuff, man. You're good?
Yeah, I'm good. I thought I was leaving for a second, but I'm good.
Good stuff, man. I didn't even see you. I was over here aiming over there.
I was gonna go get that guy, and I saw you. I'm like, oh, let me get you first. You saw me.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, bro. It looks
You recording?
Got shot, man.
You get shot in the GoPro?
Huh?
That hurt.
Damn.
Let me see pistol. Let me see mag.
Your mag's in. Try. Hold this.
I'm still gonna get you back. You did that to yourself. You just let Shoot him up.
Damn, dude. Ran out of ammo.
Clear, I think.
I think it's clear.
Now. Watch out, watch out, no, behind, behind. Let's go, let's go.
Dude, good game, bro.
Wait, are we done?
No.
Oh.
You're doing good, bro. No, don't do that. I'm telling you.
Oh, you got me.
Got you?
Yeah.
Oh shit, bro.
Yo, nice.
Bro, you're doing good, man. Fuck.
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Where? Oh, I see him. Yeah, he's right there. The truck. Holy fuck. That shit is too fast. What happened? Oh fuck. I gotta go this way. You're a bully. Like what? That's crazy, man. That's crazy.
Hey, man.
Nah, he's coming this way. No, he's not.
Huh?
Nah, I thought he was coming this way.